Welcome to my channel. Your first Wi-Fi connection. Brother DCP-L2541DW explained. Step 1. Power on the printer. Turn on your Brother DCP-L2541DW printer and wait until it is ready. Step 2. Open the menu. Press the menu button on the printer control panel. Step 3. Go to Network Settings. Use the arrow keys to select Network, then press OK. Step 4. Select WLAN. Choose WLAN from the network options and press OK. Step 5. Start Setup Wizard. Select Setup Wizard. When prompted to enable WLAN, select Yes. Step 6. Choose your Wi-Fi network. From the list of available networks, select your Wi-Fi name, SSID. Step 7. Enter Wi-Fi password. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the arrow keys, then press OK. Passwords are case sensitive. Step 8. Apply settings. Confirm the settings by selecting Yes and press OK. Step 9. Confirm connection. Wait a few seconds until the screen shows connected or connection OK. Step 10. Install printer driver. Install the Brother printer driver on your computer or phone and choose wireless connection during setup. Thanks for watching.